Alright, good morning, ladies and gents. Good students.
Good morning, Mr. Robinson.
Last time we met, we looked at Microsoft Excel. We learned that Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application program that consists of rows and columns. Right. We said that columns are identified by numbers Come again. Next time. We said that rows are identified by
numbers and the column is identified by letters and geometry or vertical.
So it's a series of rows and columns that are letters and numbers. Good. We also said that where a row and a column intersect is called a cell. And a cell indicates where we are on the spreadsheet. Now, how do we know where we are on a particular spreadsheet?
The formula bar,
Within the formula bar, we have the cell address, which gives us reference to where we are on the spreadsheet. Beautiful. Excellent. What we're going to do right now, we're going to be learning how to add a text, that is typing letters, words, as well as entering numbers, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright? Now, before we can do that, we need to recognize that the same mathematical calculation that you do in your math class can also be done in IT. You realize that?
Yes, sir.
Alright. We learn how to add in maths, and we use the additional sign. We learn how to do subtraction, and we use the subtraction sign. We use the multiplication sign in mathematics, and we use the multiplication sign. Careful. Also, divide in mathematics, and we use the division sign. Now, the symbols. Question? Good. The symbols, that's what I'm going to know. The symbols used in mathematics and IT are somewhat similar, but somewhat different. When we're adding on a computer, we use a plus sign. When we're subtracting on a computer, we use a minus sign. When we're multiplying on the computer, we use an asterisk. Beautiful. And then the division sign has in turn a slash. Now we have to be careful which slash we're talking about. We have the backslash and we have the slash equation that we're looking for is this one, moves from left to right.
Yes, sir.
Alright, let us do some addition. Let us do some simple calculation on the computer. Alright, I want to launch Microsoft Office Excel 2007. And in cell A1, we're going to type the word add. Now, as you would have noticed, earlier on we said that when we're in a particular cell, we are able to see our area in the cell reference. Now, what you did not recognize is that the formula bar actually shows or illustrates what you're typing on the spreadsheet. Do you notice that when you type the word add, you actually see the word add in the formula bar to the right?
Yes, sir.
Good. In A2, type the number 8. Now, what I noticed is most of you are using the enter key. Nothing is wrong with that. That's perfectly correct. However, there are four key combinations on the board, on the keyboard, that allows you to move about the keyboard, move about the spreadsheet relatively easily. They're called your navigating keys. They allow you to move around freely. Now, because we're going to be doing calculation on the spreadsheet, we need to use the numeric keypad on our keyboard, and this is located to the right hand side. Now, just look at the right hand side of the number 7 keys, something that says number. Where's that number key? You should see a green light appear just above on your keyboard. That allows you to have control for the entering numbers on your spreadsheet. So in A2 should have 8, in A4, in A3, sorry, enter 4. Now each time you enter a number, you can either press the enter key to move one cell down, or you can use your navigating key to move down. None is incorrect. So
Yes, sir.
this is where the fun part of the activity coming now. We're going to allow the computer to instruct, I should say, instruct the computer to do our computation or calculation for us. Instead of 4, what we want to do, we want to add 4 and 8. But we have to instruct the computer to do that. To do so, are we going A4?
Yes, sir.
The first thing we need to do is always enter equal sign. Why equal sign? We're instructing the computer to do something. Good. So in A4, we type in equal. Equal. No, I want to add 8 and 4. But we want to add 8 first. What is the address for 8?
A2. Oh, yes, A2.
A2. No, type enter A2. Tell me what you notice. You are referring a set address to a particular number that you want to add. Remember we're adding up when we use our additional sign or plus sign. Good. We are going to record another number which is located in another cell. Which is a 4 and that's what?
A3.
Beautiful. Now, at the end of every command, you're instructing the computer to do something. At the end of every command, we must do something. Tell the computer to do something by pressing the enter button. Enter key, enter button. What do you record? What do you see now? So the question, the answer for 8 and 4, the primary key on the spreadsheet?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Another approach to do the same problem. This time we're going to be using set of instructions now. Equal SUM. Nothing has changed. The format still remains the same. Just put it enter equal and spell out the word sum. SUM. And it doesn't matter if you want to use capital S or a common S. So long as you use equal SUM. We're going to have an open bracket which is shift key and number 9 to get an open bracket. I see that apart.
Yes, sir.
We're going to record the addresses again, A2, and when we further adding, we'll plus A3. Equal SUM, open bracket, A2 plus A3, close bracket, very good. Because we have an open bracket, you need to also close the bracket. And at the end of every command, enter. So far we have added 2 numbers. We need now to subtract 2 numbers. So in B1 we're going to type the word subtract. But remember the type, if you have 4 numbers, the terms word actually being displayed before you. When you're through with that, press the enter key or use another navigating the down arrow key to enter. In B2 you type 8. And in B3 you type 4. Again, we're going to instruct the computer to take to find the difference of 2 numbers, 8 and 4. So let's say equal B2 minus this time around minus B3 at the end of every command. Very good. And then we will try the other method to prove whether our case is correct or not. Again, it's going to be equal SUM. Doesn't matter if it's a common letter or capital letter sum. Open bracket, shift and 9. And then we close. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Alright. What I'm going to do now, you are going to do the same event for multiply and divide using in C1 entering 8 and 4 in C3, and you tell me what you find. So we will continue this in successive classes.